I would try to give you an example of a famous book by one Colonel Philip J. Corso. And the title of the book is The Day After Roswell, in which it has been claimed, at least I can tell you and the audience, कि उसमें ये claim किया गया था कि including the fiber optics and other discoveries are a direct result of the
technology
which has been had from the retrieved vehicles themselves. Okay, we don't need to get.
But like आपने अभी Roswell का नाम लिया.
It's a very singular and it's a very deep dive kind of. It requires a very deep dive. उस पे तो अभी तक books लिखी जा रही हैं and researchers have been really on to that subject.
But
I mean हम उसको इतना यहाँ पे बैठ के हम उसको इतना शायद I guess debate लेकिन उसकी dynamics है. We can discuss those dynamics which are in public now. वो declassified भी हैं.
Declassified information के अंदर आती हैं. वही जो just to connect a few dots जो अभी हमने नाम लिए.
Exactly so.
But जैसे अभी ये hearing के अंदर जब एक whistleblower है, फिर उसके बाद जो ये basically जहाँ से start हो रही है ये सब इसको seriousness ली जा रही है. तो you know there will be a mention of Area 51. There will be a mention of Bob Lazar, who was basically for the longest time considered to be obnoxious or out of his mind.
Media mainstream, remember one thing, this is not a subject of mainstream media. Even right now, American media, the world media, otherwise including BBC, CNN, NBC, CBS, they do not get into this because I have told you that this is normally considered to be a rabbit hole until and unless we basically a kind of a disclosure happens or takes place, and which is quite imminent. Let me tell you, famous quite lately, one of the main proponents of this और जो कि अभी इस hearing में जो अभी November 2024 में भी हुई है congressional hearing, उसके जो major whistleblower हैं by the name of Lou Elizondo. He wrote a book by the name of Imminent, The Hunt for UFO Disclosure and the Hunt for UFO culture and stuff like that. So he mentions it many times in his book. Now they are terming it as controlled disclosure. So हम फिर off the hook चले जाएंगे थोड़ा सा. ये subject भी एक totally it involves a lot of things. I think what you were trying to hint at was कि इनकी जो basic existence है वो क्या है. There are so many examples to that. There are so many basically levels to the understanding which I have just कि उसमें 7 layers है उसकी. ठीक है. तो ये existence है, that is true. UFOs or UAPs as they are recently called are real, and they are very much a part of not just the USA culture,
but it's a global thing now.
Global phenomenon. It has become a global phenomenon.